The best hair growth recipe leaves all doctors with open mouth. Every woman in the world wants to have the perfect hair, but it's not always like that. Well, the modern hair treatments such as blow drying, straightening, dyeing can harm your hair and they can affect your hair quality. Your hair will look dry and damaged. So if you notice that your hair has lost its shine and volume, then we highly recommend this homemade. As we said, every woman's dream is to have nice, healthy, thick and strong hair. But the reality is different. Many people suffer from hair loss, especially women. There are many different causes and risk factors which can promote and contribute to hair loss, such as environmental factors, the aging process, too much stress, excessive smoking, nutritional deficiencies, hormonal imbalance, genetic factors, scalp infections, use of wrong or chemically enriched hair products, and some medications and medical conditions like thyroid disorder, autoimmune diseases, polycystic ovary syndrome, iron deficiency anemia, and chronic illnesses can affect the hair loss process as well. You should avoid using the commercial cosmetic hair products because they are loaded with harmful chemicals and they can damage your hair. These products can do more harm than good. This is why you should try this homemade hair mask. It will bring your damaged hair back to life and speed up the hair growth process. You will be amazed by the results. This homemade remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 1/2 glass of beer, 1/2 banana, 1 tablespoon of organic honey, 1 egg yolk. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just put all the ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. How to use it: apply this mixture on your hair and scalp and massage it gently. Leave it on for 5 minutes. Note: you shouldn't be worried if you experience heat. This means that this mixture is working its magic. After 5 minutes you need to wash it off with mild shampoo and warm water. You will be amazed by the results. You will notice the first results just after few weeks. Make sure you use this treatment once every week. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.